How to change your Snapchat streak emojis. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bitmoji from The Solution Guy, and in this guy's video I will simply show you how you can change the streak emojis on Snapchat. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, you simply might want to make sure that you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Snapchat. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've updated Snapchat, I'm going to go over and then simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. All you have to do is on the very top left hand side, you can see this little Bitmoji profile. Go ahead and tap on the Bitmoji profile and come to this page. Once you're on your profile page, on the very top right hand side, again you can see this little gear icon, which is the settings icon. So we're going to go ahead and then simply select the settings icon. As soon as you select the settings icon, over here you'll be able to see a bunch of various options, and all you have to do is simply select the option which says Customize Emojis. So in your case, it could be written something as just emojis. In my case, as you can see, this button which says Customize Emojis, we're going to go over and then simply tap on it. Now over here we can change the emojis not only for Snapstreaks but also for your best friend emoji, your super BFF, your BFFs, and so on. So in order to change our Snapstreak emoji, at the very bottom of the screen you can see this little label which is Snapstreak. We're going to go over, simply tap on it, and as you select it, you'll be able to see a bunch of various emojis available. All we have to do is we're going to simply go ahead and select the emoji of our choice. For example, if you want to go ahead and do this, you can see right over here at the top also you can read there, it says this friend emoji appears next to the number of days that you and a friend have snapped each other. If you and your friend don't both send a snap within 24 hours, you will lose your snap streak. So this is basically how it works. But in order to change it, as you can see, you have a bunch of various ones, and just like that, it is going to automatically save the changes. And this is how you can change your Snapchat streak emojis. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.